Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I tell you speak English with American sentences. So how would we talk if someone came from America? So listen to me carefully. Number 1. Hello, how are you? Number 2. Welcome to our country. Number 3. What's your name? Number 4. Where are you from in America? Number 5. Is this your first time here? Number 6. Do you like Pakistan? Number 7. Can I help you? Number 8. What do you do? Number 9. Do you like our food? Number 10. Do you speak any other language? Number 11. Your English is very good. Number 12. I am learning English. Number 13. Please speak slowly. Number 14. Nice to meet you. Number 15. Have a good day.